Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the phone has enough battery and a fresh backup, because you may reset settings. Once done, remove cases and clean the true depth sensor, oil and dirt block scans. Next, open Settings, tap Face ID and passcode and enter your passcode. You'll try a reset immediately. This clears corrupted Face ID data and lets the system rebuild the model. Make sure to keep the phone steady during setup and hold it at eye level so the camera captures full facial geometry. Once you've reset Face ID, wait for the device to finish internal processing. Rushing causes errors. Then choose Setup Face ID and follow the on-screen guidance. Keep your eyes open and slowly move your head in a complete circle so the true depth system captures multiple angles. If the phone asks about attention-aware features, enable them for security and consistent results. Repeat the second scan until it completes. This builds a robust mathematical model, so Face ID recognizes you. You finish by testing Face ID across Unlock, Apple Pay, and apps to confirm full functionality. If Face ID remains disabled, force restart the XS Max and try Reset Face ID again. Sometimes a reboot clears a software hang. If problems persist, inspect the front camera area for physical damage or debris. Hardware faults block the true depth array. As a last resort, restore iOS via a Mac or PC and re-enroll Face ID, or contact Apple Repair for diagnostic and true depth monitoring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.